How to zoom in on a part of video in Premiere Pro. Have you ever wanted to highlight a specific detail or create a dramatic effect by zooming in on a particular section of your video? Well, you've come to the right place. First, you need to import your clips, which is a logical step. By the way, if you don't have footage and you are looking for free footage, be sure to check out the video in the description. Next, select the video and navigate to the preview panel. Double click on the video to activate it. You will notice a blue outline and an anchor point in the middle. Position this anchor point where you want to zoom in. Now, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Set a keyframe for the scale at the beginning of the zoom. Then, move a little further in the timeline and adjust the scale to achieve the desired zoom level. You can zoom in on the specific part you want. To make the zoom effect smoother, select the keyframes and change them to Bezier. Expand the scale and follow what I do with the graph to create it much smoother. There you have it. You have successfully created a fantastic zoom effect on a specific part of your video using Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.